Hello friends, welcome to Full House Kitchen. Today we are sharing a green salsa recipe. It is a green sauce which is mostly used in Mexican cuisine and made with tomatillo and green chili peppers. And it is staple in every Mexican kitchen and very versatile sauce. And we are going to make it today a fire roasted way that gives this salsa a perfect authentic flavor. So let's get started. Make this green salsa. So friends, to make this green salsa, we have used here 4 large sized tomatillos, and it comes in all sizes, but we picked a larger one because we have to fire roast them. And we have used a metal net here to roast these tomatillos so that it sits properly and it doesn't roll over. And this roasting on direct heat is going to give the salsa the authentic flavor that we want to achieve. Basically, we have to cook the tomatillos, and there are many ways to do it. You can even boil them or you can even cook them in oven, but we prefer here the fire roasted to get this great flavor, which is really hard to resist. And we'll be roasting them on low flame so that it cooks properly from inside and doesn't get burned. And I would say roasting time about 5 to 7 minutes, and you can figure out if it's already done or looks like already cooked. And we keep flipping them around so it cooks thoroughly from all sides. And you'll see the color of the skin changes too. When we started it was green, and then you slowly seeing the color is changing to yellow. So that is a sign that now tomatillos are getting cooked. So now our tomatillos are almost cooked, so we'll remove off the flame in a plate. And it has cooked perfectly as we wanted, and now we'll remove off this dark skin which is burnt skin. So we'll softly with the knife you can take them off. And at this point our tomatillos are so soft and slippery. As I'm removing the skin is already slipping off my hand, but this is exactly what we wanted. And this is perfectly cooked, and the aroma is coming so amazing as I'm removing this dark skin. So now we have cleaned our tomatillos, and now we'll add our veggies in it. And we had kept it handy, 1 red onion and a couple of cloves of garlic, 1 serrano peppers, that is actually very hot pepper. So if you do not like a spicy salsa, you may want to avoid that. And then we have used the spring onion and jalapeno peppers and a bunch of coriander leaves that is actually going to add to the flavor. So we're trying to keep it equal sizes for these veggies because we are going to put them in blender jar. We can put the bigger sizes too, but then if we want perfect consistency, if the sizes are equal, it gives a nice texture to the salsa. And we'll also cut our tomatillos that we had fire roasted, and now all our ingredients are cut into sizes. So now we'll put all our veggies into the blender jar and make it a coarse paste. And we are not going to add any additional water here because we want a thicker consistency for this salsa. We do not want to make it watery. And tomatillos itself has water that is good enough to make this paste. The only thing we are going to add here is about 1 spoon of oil and a little bit of fresh lime juice. And this is great consistency for our salsa. This is exactly what we wanted, and it's good for us for picking up from our chips and anything else we add along. So our salsa is almost ready now, but if you want to make it a little bit more spicy, I would suggest put a little bit of more coriander leaves, chop it finely, and then also add a little bit of either jalapeno pepper or serrano pepper, whatever you have it handy, just a little bit so that it just adds a little bit extra flavor. and chop as fine as you can, and it looks nice also, and it blends it well. And before we serve, add a little bit of oil on top of it and some salt as per your taste, and mix them well, and our salsa is ready. So friends, hope you like this Mexican salsa recipe. Please do not forget to like and subscribe our channel if you haven't done already, and thank you so much for wonderful comments and support. Have a wonderful day.